real estate search is typically more than just you. It takes a team. Folks like industry experts and other peers in your space, whether you're a restaurant or a retailer. Key team members, again, if you're a restaurant, folks like maybe if you have a head chef or a consultant. You may bring in a broker to help with market knowledge and really understanding potentially what's out there. It's hard to take the time to be able to do that on your own sometimes. The design build professionals, super important to have those folks involved. Architects, contractors give you a sense of cost and a better sense of what it's going to take to get into a space. And then you're the quarterback, you're the most important person in this search to keep the ball rolling, keep things moving. We have more information on our website about network kind of subject matter experts. Those are the folks that I was just talking about that could potentially help you with your search.